iPhone 13 SIM card not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix iPhone 13 SIM card not working. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and try to restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together until you see the slide to power off option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 10 to 20 seconds before restarting your device again. Restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and reset network settings. In order to reset network settings, tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. If it is still not fixed, then toggle on the button for airplane mode and wait for a minimum of 10 to 20 seconds before toggling it off again, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.